Hello, Haley, from a site called Wicked Wicks, where there's wicked weather of the man, yeah. Heat, excessive heat watch, heat advisory. No! Enough, can't take it anymore. Plus we've got wind and low relative humidity and dry conditions over there. These are the fire warnings, basically. They're called red flag warning. And they're there and there. But, you know, they're basically because fires, if set, could spread very rapidly and it could be very dangerous. So don't be a moron and, like, set your trash on fire and then just kind of let it float out in the breeze. Because it's going to set somebody's car on fire, okay? Maybe not their car, but the lawn. But I know, you never liked the lawn anyway. Anyway, so we move on to, again, with drought, where it's been dry. That's what a drought is, I think, yeah. So, the darker the red, the worser the drought. That's a word. And we compare that to the 5-day who's gonna get some rain forecast. So, again, not Texas. And even, the heaviest? Let's see, the heaviest looks to be 2.7 in Nebraska. And Nebraska is not really in the drought, so. And we compare that to the people who are in the flood. These are the river gauges that are in either, minor, moderate, or major flooding. So we can filter it by major flooding. There's where it's majorly flooded. Here's today's severe weather outlook. As you can see, we're going to come across the word significant. Yes, so here's wind. Blowing stuff. There's a 15% chance. Oh, yes, and then 5%. And then in Florida, too, down there. Hail is where we have the significant. So as you can see, we have a 30% chance, is the highest. And then the black hatched area basically means that within that black area, and today it seems to basically overlap where the 30% is, there's an enhanced chance that the hail that falls will be 2 inches or larger. Now, does that mean it'll break your car windshield? I think a lot of it depends on the velocity at which it gets thrown. And, of course, you know, do you have bulletproof glass? I mean, is that even a made-to-order option for a vehicle? No, I don't know. And here's tornado time with the 2% chance and the 5% chance. Yeses. Here's tomorrow with a strange-looking shape going all over there in those areas. And then, yeah, here's your any chance. So there's your slight risk and then the 5% chance around it. We have a new one to talk about. We have Fernanda and we have Greg. Greg, that's not a name to strike fear into the hearts of Californians. If Greg is even going towards California. So Hawaii, as you can tell. Now, it appears that by the time Fernanda would be getting near, it'd be a tropical depression. So that'd probably be like lots of rain, some winds maybe, I don't know. And then Greg, we'll see where Greg's going. Looks like Greg is going to become Hurricane Greg at some point. But, again, not going to California. It's gonna stay quite far south of California. And the non-news, which is near 0% chance. And we have orange over here in the Atlantic, 40% chance of cloudiness. Well, I mean, it is cloudy. It's not a 40% chance of cloudiness. It's just 40% chance of tropical cyclone formation. See, now, I don't know if there's an official way to get the path. Because if you just click on it when it's like that, what you get is, here's what it looks like. So it's probably going that way, man. We'll keep an eye on it there. Well, because, yeah, stuff could happen. I do to do. Anyway, you go to wickedwicks.com. It's a weather site with lots of letters on it. And numbers. I like numbers. See, 30515. Good numbers. I don't know. Anyway, WICKEDWX.com. You have fun today.